come on an adventure. Arriving on Fairy Island, we'll leave the world behind and learn a whole new Jenga with Fias Fairies. Fias Fairies. Rusticky, Corda, the shooting stars are coming. I only have one more to cross off my star chart.
Ooh, I can't wait to see the realty. They sound arouse.
They are. And wait until you see the special lookout spot I found yesterday. It's the perfect place to watch the realty.
I've never seen a shooting rails before. The realty of Fairy Island are extra special. Don't forget to make a wish when you see one.
I wish you could see Realty when it wasn't so dark.
You can't tell us your wish or it won't come true.
Wah! What was that?
That's just an owl. They're waking up now. It's nighttime.
We really need to hurry before it's Royanoch.
Can't we see stars at the fairy tree?
It's too bright there. It needs to be dark to really see them.
What was that sound?
Sounds like crickets to me. No be Borachara. These are all normal nighttime sounds.
Haven't you ever been in the woods at night before?
Nope. I prefer the woods during the day.
I promise you love Realty in the dark sky.
What? Nighttime snack, anyone?
Arrigling.
Did you see that?
See what?
I saw something on the path. Are you sure we're not alone out here?
Show that to Ameer. We're going to be late.
I think something's following us.
It's okay, Ameer. You're safe with us.
No be Bora.
No.
You're right. Let's go. We've got some shooting realty to see.
Yeah! The Realty are coming.
Kedashin.
Akarja, maybe Ameer was right. But we're almost there. All right, Bush. Whoever's in there has 3 seconds to show yourself. A heen, a doe, a tree. Faker Shaw. It's the baby Brook.
She's not scary. She's adorable. But why is she alone in the woods at night?
She's nocturnal. That means she mostly moves around at night. Her burrow is close by. It must have been her family you saw before.
Do you want to come with us to see Realty, little Brook? Guess not.
Come on, Akorda. We're almost there.
Wow.
Rua, this is Gahalan. Na Realty Ansha.
Very shit. Quick, make a wish!
This is the best night ever. We got to meet the baby Brook, see a shooting star, and make a wish.
And we get to have a nighttime picnic.
And I crossed one more star off my chart.
I'm so happy I was brave enough to spend this magical evening with my Horja.
What did everyone wish for?
A Horja?
What was that? Vic, the Brook have joined us after all.
My wish came true! Oh, Volta Horja!
Tonight, we went for a walk in the woods to see Realty.
At first, I was a little scared to be outside in the dark.
Just remember, sometimes our minds play tricks on us at nighttime.
And with a little help from our friends, even the darkest night can turn into a fun, star-filled adventure. Ihawa, Horja!